Carolina Reaper, the hottest pepper in the world. They made it into a sauce.
I said one.
All right.
One hole?
What was the answer that you got?
One hole.
No, the answer that you got. It wasn't one, so that's wrong. Unfortunately. That is tough.
Does this make you gassy?
I don't know. I've never had it before.
Cause I'm
3, 2, 1, stop talking, go. You good, bro?
Let's just try, please.
What's good, YouTube? It's Almond with the Sauce, and we are back with episode 4 of our math challenges. This one right here, we got the spicy food hot sauce challenge. And here's how it's gonna work. Before each question, we're all gonna eat something spicy. I'm gonna give each of you a math problem, and if you get it right, you get what's called a relief.
Like milk, ice
We got
cream,
milk,
yogurt.
we got ice cream, we got yogurt. If you get it wrong, it's just on to the next one. So with that being said, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get this party started, y'all. 3, 2, 1, stop talking, go. Remember, this is low level. All right, let's get started. Y'all boys ready?
Yeah.
How y'all feel?
Mostly fine.
Whenever x equals -1.
Like, how would we solve it?
Nope, you're coming up with the value of this whole expression.
Well, so basically just rewriting it.
You have 2 minutes.
JC, would
Your
I
time starts now.
How do you do it?
Hey, you just snatched it from me.
That's tough.
Why did you give me such
Negative.
hard problems?
I think we got the answer. I think I got it right.
I'm not telling you.
Jonathan, you have a whole calculator, bro.
3 times 3 times 18.
Use your calculator. Why are you not listening to me? All right, go ahead. Do what you want to do then. Do what you want to do.
I don't like using calculators.
Okay, don't use it. Boy got that fresh low cut. Still ugly. That's tough. The next thing we're finna eat, Google says it's up to 5 times hotter
Then
what we just ate. Yep, that Serrano, that one's talking about
If
nothing.
you get this wrong, guess what?
No, we gotta eat it regardless.
Wait, why?
Because that's the challenge. The reward is you get to drink the milk.
I still have to try it?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I didn't buy all this stuff for no reason. You hope he gets it wrong? You hating. Why are you a hater? According to my calculation, the answer should have been -7.
Wait, I got it right.
You got it right. Good job. You can get some milk. He needs some milk. Okay. Your answer should be -3. And that is not what you got. So unfortunately, you got it wrong. All right, let's eat up.
Stop.
I don't have time. Who you raising up at?
He was trying to high five me because I got it wrong.
Okay, how do you think he feels when you taught him? Bon appetit.
I used the calculator like you said. I told you it wasn't gonna work.
So would you finna cry on camera? It's not that deep.
Here, I think you should get something.
All right, so what we're gonna do next is habanero pepper with some habanero hot sauce.
That's basically just the same thing poured on top.
Fire on fire. If you start crying, don't wipe your eyes.
Why? Oh,
Guess.
yeah.
Are y'all ready?
No, can Josh do it first?
No.
Same time, man. Same time.
Aren't you scared, JC?
Aren't you? You the one that don't get no milk. Hold on, I ain't putting no sauce on there. I thought you was slick. All right, y'all ready? 2, 1, go. How is it? You the only one that ate it? All right, come on, Jonathan.
No.
Stop being scared. Let's toast.
He at least get something.
Well, he got it right. Come on.
I'm doing nothing yet.
You don't feel for it.
He's coming to the
Here it come.
Most of the time. Gosh, I don't feel it.
My nose. Straight?
Mostly.
Straight?
I don't feel anything.
All right.
It's hot? This is supposed to be hot? I'm serious.
You ready for the next problem?
Well, I could actually eat another one if I wanted.
Oh, say look, go ahead. There you go right there. Go ahead. Okay. These are called solving linear equations. And you're gonna solve for that variable. Go. All right, can you go?
I was just praying first.
I'm gonna throw up.
Well, there's a trash can behind you.
But how do I figure out why?
4, 5.
Algebra, what you mean?
Jonathan, you're ruining the challenge. You're taking too long.
I know you're not talking.
I'll be quiet.
Nope, it'll be plus because you got to add the same thing on both sides. You know this. Don't look at the ceiling, look at your equation. What is preventing y from being by itself? But you did it on the left, so you have to.
You don't right.
Okay. Your handwriting. Has anyone ever gotten to you on your handwriting before?
It's not that bad.
I don't see how it's that bad. It looks okay-ish. Wait,
Minus.
is that a 4? Oh, why is that just the learning?
I don't know, mine is too.
Oh.
It'd be nice if you had some milk, huh? Josh, is this your final answer?
9?
Okay.
It was 9, yeah.
So scared
Josh,
to get that one wrong.
your answer, according to my calculation, should have been 5.5. Jonathan, what'd you get?
Y equals -1.
That is correct.
Wrong.
Yay!
Next, we're gonna try this hot sauce. Baldak extremely spicy hot chicken flavor sauce.
Those things look kind of spicy.
They do look spicy.
We're gonna get a bigger chip than him.
You know what I'm gonna
Bro, why would you move it right when...
this is mine, I guess.
All right, any last words?
Death.
2, 1, pop it in.
Bye-bye, world.
I'm good.
Yeah. Hold on, it's starting to get hotter.
I'm good. Put me up some more. My chest, bro. All right, next problem. This next problem deals with volume. I'm gonna give you the formula for the volume of a sphere and the volume of a cone. 4/3 times pi r cubed.
What's pi mean again? Is pi basically like x?
Nope.
Pyre?
No, it's not the pi you eat. It appears that you haven't learned about that yet.
I don't know pyre cube.
The radius isn't a button on the calculator.
Is this pi?
You have to look at the figure to figure out what the radius is.
I don't understand this. I see the answer and I know I don't.
Why are you cheating? All right, well, since you cheated, you automatically get it wrong.
But I already got it wrong.
Oh, well.
I didn't even know how to do it.
Josh, so you should have got 153 feet cubed.
Yes.
That's what you got?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool.
But what about the 3 at the end? Oh, it's cube.
That's correct. You want them to get it wrong, don't you? When you found the volume for this, and then when you found the volume for the cone, what did you
What do you
do?
mean the cone?
I mean, this thing right here is called a cone.
Yes, Dad, fine, right?
Sure. Have it to your brother. Yeah, there you go. Get in there. There you go. Okay, don't go crazy now. Is it hot?
That's all.
Were we on the
Ooh,
It's good too.
it's good, but it's hot.
I want to.
I was going to, but I realized.
I feel it in the back of my brain
Yeah.
and on my lips.
Yeah. All over my mouth. That was good, but spicy.
Okay, last problem. So,
Why are you giving me something I don't know how to solve?
you do know how to solve it. What you're gonna do is stop complaining, first of all. And second of all, you're gonna find the area of the shaded region. What you're gonna do is you're gonna solve for x. My lips are tingling.
No, mine are burning. My brain's still fried. Pi times the radius.
Squared. But you have to know what the radius is first.
2.
No, this 2 is from corner to corner.
I have no idea how to solve it.
Okay, well, let me draw a line for you. That might help you out.
We have about 1 minute.
Okay, can you find the length of that line?
2 squared
Can you
times.
say it to me?
Times. I don't remember Pythagoras theorem saying a squared times b squared.
Plus b squared equals c squared.
Let me get some more of them noodles.
So 2
13
times 2,
plus
which is
12
8.
equal.
I don't know what I'm doing. So 8 times 8.
Wait, 8 times 8. When that sauce gets to the back of your throat.
You keep giving me problems I don't know how to do.
You do know. I literally taught it to you.
So we need to take away the squared to make it just 8?
You can't just erase the squared.
I have to square root it.
And then this is.
There you go.
What's this called again?
I don't remember how to do this.
What's the side called again? The hypotenuse?
Square root of 8 is 4.
4 times
doesn't
4 is an 8.
I mean, it doesn't have one.
Do you see
It does. It's just not a whole number. That's all. Bro, my lips are burning. You can just leave it as a square root of 8. That's totally
Square
fine.
root of 8 is, I have no idea.
You don't need to. All you need to know is that C
The answers
is
are-
the square root of 8.
Pi r squared.
Do we know R?
Square root
That's
of
not the radius. Remember, that's from here to here. The radius is from the middle of the circle. You're going through it.
do it.
Okay, but you don't have to know how to do it. You just have to think about it. If you know that the distance in between my 2 fingers is the square root of 8, just think for 1 second about how you could think. You see how easy it is?
So then the answer is 2 pi?
Well,
I'm gonna add it.
Oh, that's
the area of the circle is.
So then we need to find the area of the square in this object.
That's it. Bro, you see how easy this stuff is? How do you find the area of a square?
By adding up all the sides.
It sounds like perimeter to me.
I mean, it's area.
Who's your teacher?
so- I'm just tired and my brain is fried by spicy stuff. Which is 2 times 2, which is 4, which is 4.
You acting like this stuff is hard.
So it's 2 pi minus 4.
See how easy that was?
Yeah.
Okay then. What'd you get?
I got 25.
Oh, unfortunately that is incorrect.
I'm supposed to use square root?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Well, now you know. So, this is Carolina Reaper, which is one of the hottest peppers in the world.
No, it is the hottest pepper.
The hottest pepper in the world. They made it into a sauce. It is blazing hot, 5 out of 5 flames. Y'all ready?
No.
Ooh, that's a lot. There you go.
I'm asking.
Ooh.
Stop doing that.
My bad.
Wait, which one's mine?
The one with sauce on it.
3,
3, 2, 1, go. This is about to be bad. I feel it in my throat. You good, bruh?
I'm dying.
Okay, that's the challenge. Thank y'all for watching episode 4. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all in episode 5.
Okay. That's my milk.
Hold on, you don't get no milk?
I feel like my chest is gonna be on fire soon. I feel like tiny big, a little flame turns into a mother load of flame in my body.